Hey, how's it going, everybody? So in today's video, I'm going to be doing some modifications here at my house. So I actually bought another access point. Now, originally I wanted to buy the AC 1750 access point, but at the time it was a little bit too expensive. So the one that I picked up was actually this AX 1800 access point from TP-Link as well. So how I'm running my wireless network is I have these just basically this Linksys router. So originally I had this running on my main router. Of course, that changed since I built this one. So I'm using that as a router. So I'm going to be changing that to actually be, actually a PoE access point. So I'm going to be going up to the attic. So this is the first access point. This actually takes care of kind of like where all the bedrooms are at. So if anybody's connected to it, they basically get routed to this one. And then I have another one that I'm going to show you right now. And then the second access point, I have it over here. So this is actually the kind of like, I guess like the living room, dining room access point. So this is actually what everything connects to. So I have two separate ones that basically go to the exact same network, but that's how I wanted to set it up. Yeah, the house is a little bit big, so I just wanted to make sure that, the front of the house is covered as well as the back of the house. So I'm going to show you exactly where I'm going to be mounting these access points to. I already did some pre-work, so this is actually going to be the one that's going to be for the front of the house. So that plate is already connected. So this is going to be the 1750 access point that's going to go in there. And the one for the bedroom is going to be right here. So it's actually in between all of the rooms, so they could go right ahead and get internet access accordingly. So I have a couple of things that I need to do, as well as I need to go right ahead and get my helper to help me out. So nonetheless, we'll go right ahead and see you in a little bit. Alrighty, so I went right ahead and grabbed my helper, my dad. He's actually taking care of some other stuff. I have the two cables that we're going to be running. So of course it's going to go up the attic and then basically down to the drops. So I'm actually going to go to the attic, up the attic right now. I'm not going to be recording that just because it's a very tight space and I don't want any of the equipment or any of the cameras to get damaged. So yeah, just FYI on that one. So off to the attic I go. Okay, a little bit out of breath. Whew, that attic is no joke. There's literally very little gap to be crawling through there. So, but nonetheless, already got the two wires going, so they're already there. So I just want to show you. Whew. So I'll show you that there's cable 1 for the bedrooms. That's good. And we got cable 2. And we got cable 2 for the other access point. So this is a little bit too much slack, but I'm going to go ahead and throw this back up there. I don't need too much of it. But yeah, let's go ahead and terminate these. Alrighty, so I just finished connecting the access points. It wasn't that bad, just basically just connecting them, testing out the runs, and basically just making sure the pairs were matching. But I just want to show you how these access points are going to get power, because I haven't really shown you this piece of equipment that I recently got. I recently got it from my coworker, so yeah, it was kind of a little bit different. I really never messed around with this type of device before, but let me go right ahead and show you. So it's going to be this planet switch over here. So I've really never actually seen this type of switch that actually uses this type of power supply, but it was new to me. So yeah, during one of the weekends that I had, I went right ahead and installed it. But this is actually what's giving out PoE to the access points. So right now I have 3 access points, of course, 1 for the garage and then 2 for the house. And then there's just 1 cable that's just going directly to the switch. So yeah, so that's technically how the access points are getting, PoE power out of it. It was a little bit tricky, but nonetheless, yeah, it's worth it. So that's all I wanted. Alrighty, everybody. Well, I really do hope you enjoyed this video. I really couldn't really show you too much in the attic. Like I said, it was bad out there. Yeah, it's like, well, I mean, look at how I came out. I was like basically full of dirt and all this stuff. So yeah, not optimal. But yeah, nonetheless, that is the end of this video. Like always, I really do hope you enjoyed it, and we will catch you on the next one.